you'll need for rice water, the way I make it, some rice, distilled water, and orange peel. You can also use essential oils, but I'll only use orange peel to help combat the smell of the rice water.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm ready to.
I'm gonna rinse this half a cup of rice off.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to put up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Ooh, this type shit heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you. Baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Sweet baby, girl, you bite it. Keep talking about it. We think too often about it. You can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like oopsie days. Ain't no way and nothing maze. Don't be led up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Baby, ain't no hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot on the face. This type of shit, heavy wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you. Baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a dick for you. Keep baby, looking when you bite it. You can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. You can't just be caught. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Hey y'all, hey, it's AMIARENEE. Welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. We are on our way to get some crabs. Haven't had crabs yet this summer, so I'm so happy to finally get some. I love crabs. Only thing I'm concerned about is my fingers. My fingernails are still not 100%. If you remember, I use gel nail polish. I'll pop the brand right here. Got it from Amazon. Don't ever use that. But buyer beware. I'm never going to use it again. It did a number on my nails. So I'm going to have to put gloves on when I eat my crabs. And then my nails, I thought it was getting better at one time, but then it got worse. My finger tips started to get real sensitive to touch, to hot, cold water, anything. So I went to my doctor and she prescribed me some hydrocortisone cream. You see that? A topical cream to put on my fingers. And then she also gave me some Claritin. I haven't taken these because I was like, it's not like seasonal allergies, so I don't, what they got to do with anything. But I have been putting the cream on my fingers every night. Ooh, you got the crabs, you got the crabs. How they look? Smell good? You ain't seen them. Smell good. But what I was saying, oh yeah, so she's told me she'd give me some steroids, but the steroids would only be temporary because the infection in my fingers have to grow out. So once the dose of the steroids were gone, my fingers would still go back to hurting. So the pink parts of my fingers, she said, are regular, but when you see the yellow on up, the infection has to grow out. Sounds like no point in me taking those steroids just for it to be a temporary fix. So I'll just have to plug it out, guys. I've just been putting my cream on my fingers for like the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and I guess it helped, girl. I don't know. I wanted to do my hair. I did take out my jumbo twist, and I wanted to do my hair, but I'm kind of, my fingers do feel a little better, but I don't want to irritate them by putting unnecessary pressure on it. But we'll see. That's why I got my hair in this little ponytail. I think we get ready to go stop. You want a beer with the crabs. I usually like Mike's Hard Lemonade with my crabs, but I don't feel like dealing with no liquor. Well, my skin looking good though. This is my Rosemary leave-in spray. I use this as a leave-in. My man, he's using it as a pre-poo. So you can use it however you like. It smells so freaking good. It smells like Thanksgiving to me. Christmas trees. It smells like every holiday. Rosemary smells so good. So yeah, anyway, I put some rosemary leave-in in my hair. You know I use my AMIARENEE whip shea butter. Video on my channel if you want to see how I make it. Put a nice amount since my hair is going to be in this protective hairstyle for probably over a month, around a month. So I want my hair to be moisturized all the way through.
So long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting that long.
Depending on how low the plait is going to be, since the plait is a little bit in the middle, to make the hair a little longer, I'll just separate the hair and like overlap it. Make it a little longer on the end. So I do that for like the middle and the top of my hair, rather. From like right here and the crown of my head. The bottom twists are going to be long anyway, so I don't have to do that for the bottom ones. Let's get the twist in. Pay attention. Twist one way, twist the opposite way, and twist together. That's the only way I know how to explain it. So just watch as I do it.
Been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting that long. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. But me and you now, I've been waiting, I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can
right, burn hot dogs on the grill. Kia over here doing her mix thing.
Yeah.
What you just made, Keys?
Tropical daiquiri.
You know what I'm saying? What is this, Kia? This tastes so good.
Pineapple, flamingo. That's me. And
Oh, that's good. This is really good. It is. This is my girlfriend, Keela. You're so cute. I like your glasses. It make you look like you're a teenager.
like a what?
Teenager. Like a baby. That's good, though. That's good. Hey, Nino. Nino, like, what the f... And she break good. I ain't like that.
Y'all did a good job, everybody.
Tell them Bings, who had some Bings? Tell them Bings, y'all. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
You eat more than who I thought you were before the show. No, baby. Tell me, do you wanna ride? Oh, what you at, man? Tell me you wanna ride. Hey. Hey, I'm riding around. Hey, I'm riding around.
Tell them Keys.
We ride around. Hey, we ride around. Put those candles in her head. No need for the sale. Stop acting so scared. Just do what I tell. First, both my legs go back to your head. And the